how to see other viewers on Facebook story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see who viewed your story on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, you can just tap on your profile icon to see your stories feed. And now here, once you are inside the story, while viewing story, at the bottom you'll see the viewers option, so simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu you'll see a list of all users who have viewed your story, and this list only shows people who actually opened your story. So here you can simply scroll through the list to see their names and profile, and then you can just tap a name to visit the profile if you want to. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.